Another nice day today. Oh. Yeah, well, update on me quick. I'm getting there. On a percentage scale, I say I'm about 65%. I'm supposed to be at work tonight, but I won't be doing that because I need to be 100% for to do that job, and I'm not. So I reckon another couple of days and boom, we'll be off. So now I'm up here, I'm not doing much again, obviously. These tomatoes and cucumbers look good. What was there? And that little one's coming on, see. So anyway, I'm looking for, because somebody keeps pinching them off the frigging taps, sorry for swearing, but it aggravates me, because I've put about 6 on there now. One of them, put with this screw on, so I can screw it onto the tap. Yeah, I've got some somewhere. I'll have to hunt around and find them, because I need, everything needs a good proper soak, because it's not rained for a couple of days now, and plus my water butts need filling up, because it's not rained all the whole. Left me drill out the other day, see, that's 2 days that's been. It's all looking okay anyway. Nothing been being eaten of any significance. Oh, and peas are taking off. But they all need a good water, see. So I'm gonna rig that horse park up, especially them spuds. They'll need a good drink because they're in buckets. That needs a weeding and that carrot bed quick. Get in there. Now we'll get that kettle on and try and find one of them and get all this water up before the sun comes up. Well, there you go. Sun's just gone 8 o'clock and everything's had a good drink. So I'll have a good drink, that water butts are filling up. Oops, got my finger all, hang on. That's done it wrong one. Stick it in that one. No wonder that's not filling up. Got a gap there, I didn't know. Wonder why these butts are not filled up. Now I'll fill that all. Gives me a good chance to make sure they're all working, because they've never been full since I've done it. I've joined them all, so hopefully shouldn't take long to fill up anyway. All these are okay, and that one needs to fill it up a bit. Yeah, I haven't been using that one. Get all the green out of it. Everything looks better after a drink, doesn't it? Excuse me. Yeah, always looks better after a good drink. One spot here. This way. And that's a full spud bed, because Carol planted some I didn't know. Those are probably in the middle, and so I put some in after. Mine are in them 2 humps. So that's going to be a full bed of potatoes there. All mixed. Plenty in there anyway. Tony's looking full, isn't it? Yeah. Lovely. Yeah. We'll see if that kettle's boiled. Tell you what, I love sitting in that conservatory, told me. Looking at gardens, watching wildlife. but being up here is totally different. Proper clear as your mind. Still filling them butts up. But I've got my brew. Another little cigarette. I'm finding out my holes slowly. That one there needs plugging up. That one there needs plugging up. There. And that one there needs plugging up. And then everything will work fine then. So no, that's when we bring some silicone up tomorrow. But I'll get these all full tipped out of that. Not so bad, there's only them two need filling out. And then once I plug them gaps, next time it rains, it should just keep them all topped up then. Because that one does come all the way to the top, but it pours out of that little hole there. So, but I've not had a chance for a try it, have I? Because I've not been able to plug the water in. Anyway, what was I doing then all around? So while that's filling up, I'll set these bottles up in here. Because I'm just looking, I'll show you down there in a minute. But if you see there, little grapes are coming on there. But there's loads on the bottom, I'll show you in a bit. I'll start thinning them out soon. So all I'm going to do in here is same as in there. Just fill them with water. What I'll do, I'll fill them with fresh water like that horse pipe. And put them wicks in. And then leave them to it, then just fill the bottles up every week. And they should be okay when I go back to work. These are all okay. Yeah. So we'll set them bottles up in there with fresh water, just the first time. There you go, that's all them bottles in. And I fill them right up to the top. See? So when I come tomorrow, I know how much they've drunk. So I just do that once, a couple of times a week. And then once a week, put tomato food in there. And it should be bob on. I'm going to start taking these side shoots out soon, not yet. Let them grow a bit first. And then we'll get them pinned into these sticks. Yeah, they should be okay now on their own. More or less. Next to last butt filling. And then I'll top all these up. And then a couple here. A couple right back. And then I think that'll do us, so I'm going to put that kettle on. I'll finish these butts off, see you in a minute. Right, it's about 9:30. So I've got that kettle on for the last time. The last job when I come down here with the horse is to give this greenhouse a good hosing down because it's tinder dry inside. There. Nearly flammable. Anyway, these grapes. Now I've got all our bunches of grapes coming on now, can you see? But we won't hold them on one thing, so that'll be coming off. And probably we'll leave them on for now. Then we've got to snap them ends off. But I'll see Joe just to confirm. But I'm sure that's what we do. Take all the grapes we don't want and we snap the end off so all the energy goes into the grape. But these are growing again, you see. Keep taking these off in between. Yeah, I'll leave that till tomorrow because I think Joe's on tomorrow. And we'll have a word with him. Well, it's looking okay, isn't it? Plenty of grapes on. Should be a bumper crop this year, this one. These ends need chipping off because it doesn't need being any longer. yeah, looking good. So I'm going to hose down in here. Get a bit damp because it is tinder dry in there. With my last job done, I'd sit on that bench there and have my brew. I'd contemplate my morning's work. So that's all I'm doing now. So probably see you tomorrow because I'll be doing that grapevine tomorrow. I'll text you when I get home. Or you might have a look at this video and let me know. But I can get them second arms up anyway. This one's not so bad in here because it's not, it's only growing this year first time. So I'm growing my arms mainly this year on this. Not bothered about any grapes really. Oops. Every kettle has its own whistle. See you in a bit. So I'll just hose that now. But there's a horse's tail there, I can see it. You see it? We'll get that in a minute. So that should stay damp for a bit. Just pour a couple of buckets of water on every time I come up. Because it does dry out in there. That's everything done this morning anyway. So we'll have that brew and a cig. And then I'm going home. So I'll see you later.